Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you're on the market to buy a BMW F10, guys, this is the 5 Series, guys, from year 2009 to year 2017, I believe, guys. And you're guys asking for common problems, what to expect, okay, what to look for. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to cover the mechanical part of it today, guys. The engine, this is the N20 engine, guys, that you can find on BMW, guys. And what we're going to talk about is weak spots on that engine, guys. Now, it's very reliable engine, but there are some things that you need to consider, and one of them is super important, because if you don't take care of that, guys, okay, you can end up buying a new engine for your BMW. So make sure to stay until the end. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, guys, including this one here, we make at least 200 videos, guys. We take them completely apart, and we make more than 100 videos on each engine. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts for your BMW tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. You can see where we get all that from for a really good price. This is, guys, a 2013 model 528i. Now, even if you have a 520, 525, 528, guys, even the 535, the problems will be very common, guys, and we're going to cover all that today, guys. Now, talking mechanical part, guys, let's remove that engine cover. This is a twin power turbo, guys. Now, I heard that some of them do have problems with the turbos, but that's at higher miles, okay. Higher mileage engines may have weak turbos, may have a turbo that's smoking, leaking oil. So usually you check, guys, the exhaust and make sure that your car is not smoking or before you buy it. That's one thing, guys. Another thing, guys, that I heard about, okay, sometimes it's direct fuel injectors going out, but not very often. I just read a few posts on the forums, guys, but they're not hard to replace it also. We have a video on the channel if you want to check out that one out. Now, we're going to start, guys, with the simple problems, and then we'll get to a major problem that can cost you guys the whole engine and you need to replace it. So make sure to stay until the end. Another weak spot on those BMWs, guys, okay, it's a leaking oil from the oil filter, oil cooler gasket right here, guys. Video is not very complicated. Gasket is right there as well. We have another gasket here. We'll have that on the channel as well. Next, valve covers, guys. Valve covers on BMWs are prone to leaking, but on this one is a little bit more complicated to replace it, but it's doable, and we're going to cover all that as well, guys. We'll have valve cover replacement on that engine as well, so you can check it out. What else, guys? Okay, something else, thermostats. Okay, thermostat needs to be replaced, okay, needs to be taken care of so you don't overheat your car, because sometimes they fail. Another thing is cooling hoses, okay. They need to be, okay, they sometimes disintegrate, okay, they fall apart if you don't use the correct coolant. Always use the correct coolant, guys. And after so many years, okay, BMW hoses need to be replaced. Usually I do it on every 8 to 10 years, guys. I replace all the coolant hoses. Another thing, guys, vacuum hoses and vacuum lines. Super weak spot on that engine. Okay, they, guys, start falling apart on older engines or engines that have higher mileage, and as a result, guys, okay, you replace the vacuum lines. Not too many vacuum lines, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, now, that being said, guys, what else could develop problems? Okay, right here, guys, the camshaft sensors, okay, also known as phasers, the one that adjusts the angle of the camshafts, those are prone to going out at higher mileage, but they're not hard to replace, and we have the video on the channel as well. But other than that, reliable engine with one, guys, with a big exception: timing chain, guys. Timing chain. Those early engines, guys, are known for timing chain failures. If you have a 4-cylinder engine, this is the N20 twin turbo engine, guys, and your car is built before March 2013, okay, they have a timing chain guide, okay, that according to some people it's defective, wears out too fast, breaks, car jumps timing chain. You'll either end up buying new engine, rebuilding your engine, or if you're lucky enough and you stop it on time, guys, okay, you're not going to smash your valves, pistons, and you will be able to install new timing chain guides, and new timing chain tensioner, and fix that problem. So I've heard, guys, from what I read, okay, engines somewhere between 20 and 120,000 miles, they show that defect. but usually you will expect it to develop around 70 to 80,000 miles. This is the tool for the timing chain. Let me show you guys. This is the tool. We'll have everything listed in the description of the video below if you want to check prices and all that stuff. Timing chain kit, timing chain tool. Now once you guys fix it and replace it with the updated timing chain guide and chain, you should be ready to go. Other than that, very reliable engine, guys. Now they say that after March 2013 they fixed that problem. Hopefully they did. I still read some people having problems, but not very many as the early years when they first started using that engine, guys. Those are the common problems. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure common problems on that engine, guys, on 5 Series. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.